Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. Pumping time for BTC. We're creating a reversal, but we're heading to some critical levels now at the moment, right? We need to break the 618 on the 4-hour time frame to remain bullish. The thing is now, it's Wednesday. We can expect volume. There are some Fed events, so be conscious. We're heading to critical resistance. Take profits where you can. And I will keep you guys updated today and tomorrow because, if we reject this 618 and we come back down to go back up to the 786, I will show you later on in this video what I mean. You will create a bearish divergence on the RSI 4-hour time frame. So that's a little bit tricky now at the moment, but I will show you guys what I'm expecting for today and for tomorrow. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is that we found a bottom here on buy side liquidity, right? We came for liquidity and we're bouncing up now. If you go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that we had a double bottom here. Actually, it's a bullish divergence, but okay, we're retracing the 786 constantly, so we have bullish order flow again. If you go to the 4-hour time frame now, you can see that we broke right through this resistance level of this falling wedge, right? So we closed the 4-hour candle above this resistance level to become support, so that's positive to confirm bullish order flow. What you can see is that we're creating an inverted head and shoulders, so you can expect downside, right? We can expect a liquidity sweep to the 618 to consolidate a little bit, to break out of this inverted head and shoulders pattern, right? The thing is now also, when you go to the 4-hour time frame and you pull a fib from this swing low to the bottom of this wicks or the top of this wicks, you can see that we're heading to the 618 here, right? So I want to see BTC rips right through the 618 to reject the 786, find support on the 618 to go up, right? If we reject this 618 to create an inverted head and shoulders, there's a possibility that we create a bearish divergence here. And you don't want to see that. You just want to see BTC rips right through this 618 at first. So a very important period now for BTC. Be careful. If you took a long here, perfect entry. Don't forget to take some profits here, because we need to pay ourselves, right? The thing is now, there are some critical levels at the moment. The most important levels for now is the 618, 113.2k. And this 618, 117.1k. Right, there's a possibility that we go to 170.1k because there's a lot of sell side liquidity here. Sell stops need to get stopped out before we reject and see more downside. If the bulls take over and push the price above and we find support there, yeah, then it's new. Then most likely we will see a new all-time high to come for sell side liquidity and eventually break out. So actually the message for today, guys, is just be careful, be conscious, take profits, and I will keep you guys updated the coming days, because this is a very important period for BTC actually. We have some crazy events coming in this month, so we can expect some volatile price action, right? So again, guys, if you like this video, please like it, smash up this like button, subscribe to my channel. Let's see if we can get this video to 100 likes here. And if you want to level up your trading, go to the link in the description, join the Crypto Gainers for free. You will get redirected to the Discord server and you're very welcome, right? So guys, again, quick update on BTC. We're heading to major resistance. We need to break certain key levels now to remain bullish. We broke out of this falling wedge pattern, but expect manipulation. Dominance chart is going up. You can see that we bounced on the 786 here, so this is a very strong support level for dominance, right? The thing is, on dominance, when you go to the daily time frame, once you reverse like this on dominance, most likely you will come to the 618 or the 786 to see more downside, you know. And in this period, BTC can wreck a lot of altcoins actually. For example, if BTC rejects this 618 and dominance shoots up during this pump and BTC starts dropping, you will see that altcoins get wrecked now. So, you know, the message is stick to BTC and don't get tricked actually. If you watch my model, you can see that our entry got triggered perfectly from the group. So we're still in the trade now. We're heading to TP2, excuse me, to remain bullish, right? That's why we take profits, because yeah, we need to pay ourselves, right? So guys, again, I thank you all for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on X. Stay updated and stay tuned, because more videos will follow the coming days. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.